Hello again. it's uh, it's a pretty forward fraction like we did last time. We have the we're gonna do subtraction of fractions today. We're gonna do subtraction uh, of two fractions and in like numbers and unlike numbers, and we go from there. And then we're gonna review many examples of fractions, addition and subtraction after this video. Okay, now we have, like we said, go if you have problem with the fraction again, go back to the previous videos and go over them again and go through the examples I showed you. Okay, but we're gonna review. Don't worry, we're gonna review later on in the class, in the video. Now, how about subtraction videos? How about subtraction numbers? Oh, but before we do that, I remember we have to answer the last video's question. The last video question was, what is the second largest lake in the world? Okay, after Caspian Sea, the answer is Superior Lake. Lake Superior. It is between Canada and United States. It's uh, in United States and Canada, in between those two countries. Now, Lake Superior is the second largest lake. Now, what is the third lake in the world? The third lake in the world. We're gonna answer that question next video. Ah, ha, 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 ha. You guys get back to the um, uh, next video. Uh, to know the answer for the question of this video. Now let's do subtraction fraction. Okay. Now let's say 5. Let me do this here. 5 and 5/3. 5/3. Okay, minus 4/3. Okay, see, those are the same denominator at the bottom, and that's easy, right? Okay, so the answer will be what? On the bottom we put 3, right? Bottom denominator is 3, and then we subtract the bottom, we subtract the upper uh, numerators. So the answer is equal 1/3. 1 divided by 3, 1/3, 1 over 3. Okay, that's what this slash mean. We can call it over, we can call it by, we can call it divided by. It's up to you, whatever you feel like it. Divided by, over, or by. Anyway, so that is subtraction of two like denominator numbers. So 5 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 3 equal 5 minus 4, 5, this 5, right? Minus this 4, right? Which is here, 5 minus 4 divided by 3 at the bottom. We put this 3 at the bottom, and then we subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1/3. So that's the answer. Now, how about another one? How about 3/4 minus, let's say, 7/8. Ha, 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 ha. No, sorry. 7/4. And okay, so the answer is what? 3 minus 7 okay, divided by 4. 4 goes on the bottom. See this 4 here? It goes in the bottom like we did in addition, okay, and then we put 4 on the bottom over here, okay, and then we subtract the top. 3 minus 7 divided by 4, which is what? Negative 4 by 4. And that's your answer. Okay, don't worry about this negative now. We'll talk about that when we go with the addition and subtraction of numbers. And then we have 3 minus 7 divided by 4 equal negative 4 by 4, which is equal what? Minus 1 or negative 1. Negative 1. Okay. Now, that is how we subtract fractions. Okay. Now, we're going to review a lot of them, addition and subtraction of fractions, in next few videos. So bear with me. Now, what about if we have the numbers at the bottom, different? For example, if we have 7 divided by 4 minus 2 divided by 3. How do we do that? Okay, first of all, first step, like we did in the addition, first step is divide on the bottom here. Okay, at the bottom we have, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, 4 by 3 is 12, right? Okay, and at the top, what we do is we divide the numbers by 12. Okay, what numbers we will divide? Okay, we will multiply 7 times 3, this 7 times this 3, okay, the top of the first fraction times the bottom of the second fraction, which is 7 by 3, plus for the bottom of the first fraction times the numerator or the top of the second fraction. So 7 times 3, remember the minus sign, minus 4 times 2. 4 minus 4 times 2. So 21 minus 8 divided by 12, okay, which is 13 divided by 12. That easy. See? So we have different denominators in the example here. Okay, so we multiply 4 times 3 first. First step, 4 times 3, which is 12. This 4 times this 3, 12. That's first step we got here. And then that's the bottom. And the top, we multiply 7, this 7 times this 3, 7 times 3, and then remember the minus sign, minus this 4 times this 2. Okay, so and you follow the step. So 7 times 3 is 21, minus 8, which is 4 times 2 divided by 12. So 21 minus 8 on the top divided by 12 on the bottom, which is 13 divided by 12. And that's your answer to this fraction, subtraction. Okay, I will see you next video. Thank you very much.